It's 10:25 a.m. Bob and I are gonna head out, obviously because we're in the car, and run always in the car. We're gonna run some pre-4th of July errands. We've got a few more food things to buy. All the kids are coming over and we're barbecuing. So we're gonna go do that. And
barbecuing burgers.
Barbecuing burgers, yeah. Burgers and potato salad. And we're gonna go for a little bit of a drive to do that. We don't have to like drive down to Newburgh, but we're gonna anyway and see what we get up to. I don't know. We have nowhere else to be until dinner tonight, so it's all good. I'll be back. Good morning, everybody. It is 10:24 a.m. Monday, July 3rd. Bob is here at the house. He's gonna do some chores. He's off this week, so he's gonna do some chores. I'm gonna run over to Value Village really quick. The daughter sent me a coupon. There is one piece for a project I want to kind of try to find, and if I can use a coupon to get it, all the better. But anyway, I wasn't gonna go, except she sent me a coupon. So anyway, hey guys, happy 4th of July. It is Tuesday morning sometime, July 4th. Let's see, 11:53 a.m., just about lunchtime. I've been up for a bit here in the art room editing the vlog for tomorrow because I hadn't done it yet. And the rest of the day will be spent getting ready for a family gathering here at the house, barbecue, and all that traditional stuff. I doubt I'm going to get any work done on this, but you never know, but I doubt it. I also have that. Now, I have noticed in my algorithms on YouTube, the upcycling videos are getting a lot of views. Oh my God, you guys. So we're going to keep going with those, I think. I may film the last pair of dad pants. If y'all want to see it, I might film that. And then I'm probably going to film the jacket. And then if you want to see how I made make the dad pants bags, I have 2 more pants bottoms. So let me know in the comments below. All right, that's it for the minute. I'm going to finish this video computer nonsense and then turn that off, and I'll be back. I would say good morning, but yep, it's almost dinner time. It is Wednesday, not Thursday. Wednesday, July 5th. Yeah. We had a great time yesterday celebrating the 4th of July with the kids and doing fireworks. It was Junior's first 4th of July. And although he's an infant, I like to think he had fun. I don't know, but it was a lot of fun. Didn't think I was very into fireworks, but fun fact, they have those little tiny like smoke bombs. Those are fun, especially if you mix the colors up. Anyway, I've been getting my next pair, and for the moment, last pair of dad pants ready to sew sometime in the next couple of days, hopefully when I have time. I am planning on filming some more upcycling clothing videos for you all. I don't know if you want me to show you how to make a pair of dad pants. You can let me know. But there are lots of tutorials on there on doing this sort of fabric collage on pants. And I want to remind you all to keep in the back of your mind. I know I'm not doing a lot of painting or art journaling at the moment on camera. I am doing some, it's just not on camera. But the fabric collage type things and the upcycling things I'm doing, you could very easily use these techniques to make a journal cover or an art supply bag to go, or urban sketching bag. Like, you could use this for a lot of other things other than garments. And for me, this is a piece of like wearable art, fabric collage. So that's, I think, why I'm liking doing it. One of the projects I think I want to film is this jacket I just thrifted, which is a Liz Claiborne jacket. I paid like $5 for it. I have pieces and parts I'm pulling, as you can see, thinking about what I want to do before I actually cut into anything. And I think I'm going to do some more dad pants bags because I have 2 more pant leg bottoms. I do think I'll film that too. And I have an idea for some belts. So yeah, always busy, except for this morning. We spent a lot of time just being lazy because we were tired from last night, I think. Anyway, all right, that's it for the minute. I'll be back. We've had an interesting start to the morning. It is Thursday, July 6th. I'm expecting a couple of deliveries today. Bob is off getting some blood work done for some annual checkups he's got coming up, one of which is tomorrow. Another one is in like, I don't know, a week and a half or something. Anyway, we had a power surge of some kind this morning that threw off some of the breakers here in the house. So suddenly half the house wasn't working. I don't know. And as he was leaving for one of his appointments, he said that the TV and cable trucks are around the corner and down the street. So I don't know if they did something, or I'm going to assume that they did. Anyway, I am going to be working on finishing my last pair for the moment of dad pants and trying to film some of it for another upcycling video here on the YouTube channel. We also were babysitting today, but Bob is off of work. So when he gets home from his appointment this morning, he can help me with the grandson while I maybe finish the dad pants. So that's the plan anyway. I'll be back. Okay, with a little mini grandson, neighbor kid, furnace maintenance guy break. Because, everything happens at once, right? Got those on my head. Just, it's a thing. All right, we're going to finish the pants. It's probably good to not poke yourself and get blood on the pants. Although you are about to wash them, so it'll probably come out. Just saying. All right. Okay, you guys. The pants are done and frayed and dry. Would you like to see? Can you see? Let's see, hang on. So these are the pants. What do you think? I like them. So yeah. Dad pants. Maybe you can make some, but you also could do this on a journal cover, a wall hanging. Like, you could do anything with it. You could do it on the back of a denim jacket. Make yourself some fine clothes, because why not? Life's way too short. the TV. It appears we have some new little friends at the bird feeder. But it's not a squirrel.
Those are not squirrels here.
No. They're also not the big black rats that we occasionally get. They look like large field mice, I think. Interesting. They must be hungry if they're coming this close to the house. Bob and his creatures, as long as they stay outside, I'm good with it. They come in the house, it's a different story.
They take out mice.
Yeah, they're sharing nice, unlike the squirrels. Squirrels don't know how to share. You gonna have guard mice now along with the guard squirrels?
Something like that.
All right, we'll be back. Good morning, guys. It is just before lunch on Friday.
Red light camera.
Friday, July 7th, I think. I don't know. It's Friday. It's the Friday after 4th of July. I think it's the 7th. Anyway, Bob is off having his colonoscopy screening. I just dropped him off. I'm gonna go run a couple errands while he's having that done. And then pick him up. They'll call me in about an hour, hour and a half or so. And yeah. Anyway, you know, colonoscopy screenings as we get to be a certain age, those are one of the things that you have to do on a routine basis. If you're like Bob, every 10 years. If you're like me, every 5 years. If you're like a friend of mine, once a year. But you got to have it done. Colon cancer is one of those silent killers. My grandfather, my dad's dad, died of metastasized colon cancer, and he died in 1969. There was little or no screening then, I don't believe, and he ended up getting it in his bones, liver, and brain, and he died from it. Now, today, we have colon cancer screenings, and it's one of those things that they can catch early most of the time, and so, you know, yeah, it's not a fun procedure. The procedure itself's not a big deal. It's the prep. The prep sucks, but do it anyway. Suck it up and do it anyway. So he's doing that, and I'm gonna go run a couple errands while he's doing that. And then later on, I think 2 of the 4 kids are going to come over for dinner, but we're just keeping it low-key easy. We're going to do some Trader Joe's broccoli beef, and I'll steam up a pot of rice. And I don't even think we're going to go grocery shopping this weekend. Our fridge is really full right now. I am going to go grab a couple of things that we're out of or running out of. And other than that, I think we're going to let it go. And if I have to go during the week next week, I'll do that. So anyway. We're babysitting all day tomorrow, I should say. That's why we're not like doing errands or grocery shopping or anything tomorrow, which Saturday's our usual day. But we're babysitting Junior, so, you know, I'd rather babysit than grocery shop any day of the week. All right, I'll be back. Okay, it's Saturday morning, July 8th, I think.
Yeah.
And it's just before 11 o'clock. We have Junior. You can see there you go, the handle. We're starting out with, well, I'm not allowed to show his face.
I know.
We're starting out the morning with a walk, and I guess Junior is off his schedule. He woke up late, ate breakfast late. It's okay. Pops and Oma don't really believe in baby schedules, so there's
It's
that.
Saturday. Everybody gets up late on Saturday.
I mean, yeah,
Everybody sleeps in.
exactly. So we're babysitting today. We're staying home. We're still adjusting to being grandparents and merging my creative schedule with Oma's schedule. And, you know, I'm a little less creatively productive, but that's okay because my time is well spent with Junior. So, you know, you got to sacrifice some stuff sometimes, and it's all good. Anyway, it's cloudy and overcast. It's not super warm yet today, although it's supposed to be in the 80s. Junior's very well bundled up. We're going to go for a walk, get some steps in, see what we can see, and I'll be back. Yeah, Junior's gone home, and we're going to go out for another walk, get a few more steps in
That's right. You know.
before dinner, because we sat on the couch all afternoon, just, where is he? There he is. Munching, because, you know,
because of, taking care of the child.
Yeah, but all we did was eat all afternoon.
You did.
I need to get some steps in. I probably had 400 calories in nuts. So anyway, we're gonna go get some steps in. I have an alarm for closing the vlog every week, and I still almost forget nearly every week.
Why is that, dear?
I have no idea. I got quite a bit done on my sweater that I'm working on out of just random yarn, and I am to the point where I've started the shoulders. So yay. So pretty soon we'll be working on the back, and then we'll do the sleeves. And I said earlier, I don't know, but my intention is to just keep not knitting, crochet. Oh yeah, see, it's late. It's 10:15 or something. My intention is to keep crocheting on the front, do the shoulders, and then when I get the shoulders done, I'm going to just keep going and do the back. And so the front and back with the neck hole will be all one piece. And then when I start the sleeves, I will start them by starting the crocheting on the body piece so that when I'm done, I only have an underarm and side seam. That's what I'm hoping. In the meantime, I'm using so many different kinds of yarn. There's a lot of threads to hide when I'm done. But yeah, we're adjusting to being grandparents, having Junior here all the time. And I'm adjusting to a new creative schedule. I'd much rather cut back on creativity to spend time with the grandson. There is nothing wrong with that. Sometimes life just happens and you have to go with the flow with things. And that's all cool. So anyway, I have to do today's drawings. I haven't done that yet. But anyway, if you want to see what I do on the daily, I try to do something a little bit creative every single day. Follow me on social media. My Linktree list of links is down below, along with my Patreon. I do have a private conversation on Facebook Messenger with them, and open, with what I'm doing, what's going on with my life, pictures of the grandson. You get access to all of that stuff. Plus I have monthly posts over in Patreon for them. I'm no longer manufacturing stencils, but the designs are available to them. They get 3 a month right now, some new ones, some old ones, and a mood board and all kinds of stuff. So anyway, check it out. I'd love to support the free content here on YouTube. I sure would appreciate that. I also have lots of artwork for sale. Check out my business Facebook page for that. Anyway, I think that's it. I'm going to go back to playing some more video games, basically, on my tablet. And then I'm going to do some drawing. And we're going to just end the week. There's a lot of stuff coming up next week and the rest of the month. But that's for next week's vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Again, think about joining my Patreon. I sure would appreciate the support. Most importantly, go out and have fun, enjoy life, get inspired, and do something nice for yourself because you deserve it. We'll see you next week. Bye, guys.